Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to be showing you how I take out my glue-ins or my quick weaves. It's going to be really fast and simple, so let's go ahead and get into it. Right now I'm just separating my leave out from the rest of my hair. And I highly recommend getting this super hair bond remover because it's going to make taking out your tracks super easy. So the first couple of tracks are actually not attached to a cap, it's attached to my hair because my cap started to slip back about a week into my hairstyle, so I had to glue some extra tracks in to fill it in. So for these tracks, I'm just going to really saturate it with the oil and massage it in really well, just because I don't want to rip out any of my real hair. Okay, and now I'm getting ready to saturate the actual cap. So I'm going to be doing the same methods, just drenching it and massaging it and pulling it back gently. You could actually see where my cap slipped back a little bit and why I had to add some filler tracks in there. So what I'm doing is just taking the cap off like a little bit at a time. So I'm just going to drench a part with oil and massage that and then lift that part of the cap. And then once that's lifted, I'm just going to do the same steps. Drench it again with more oil and just slightly pull it back. If I try to pull it off and it gets stuck, like there's some glue stuck to my actual hair, I'll just put some of the oil like where it's stuck at and just massage it, like, because it did get stuck to like a couple of braids, but it wasn't bad at all. It was able to come off easily by just massaging it. And that is it. Like I told you, this literally took me like 5-10 minutes max because I had the two pieces in the front glued on, but this whole thing came off as one piece. And now I'm just going to undo my braids in the back just to make sure there's no little spots of glue stuck in my hair. So there were a couple of spots in my hair where there was some glue stuck onto my hair, so I just used the oil to get that off too. That and a fine-tooth comb, and it honestly came right out. So for those of you wondering, no, I did not lose too much hair from this style. This is what I lost. I feel like that would be a typical amount to lose in any protective style when you take down your hair. So yeah, no, it wasn't bad at all. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. And I'm gonna go wash my hair. Don't mind me putting it in the ponytail. Adios, till next time.